Okay, helmet cam, cockpit cam, sync them up, 1, 2, 3. Okay then folks, welcome. This is going to be Tail of the Dragon, north to south. So I'm recording this on the Insta360 Ace Pros. Got one for the cockpit, one on the helmet. Now what I thought I'd try here is I've got the remote for it. Now the remote should be given the telemetry for the ride, so it should give speed, lead angle, all that, lean angle, all that sort of information. So I thought I'd give it a go and see. If you're watching this as a... Ooh, mucked that up. If you're watching this as a sort of standalone video, I've done one for south to north, and obviously this is the... No, hang on. Yeah, I've done one for the south to north, this is the north to south. But this is part of a road trip series I'm doing. Obviously I'm not from the States, I've come over from the UK, and I'm currently in the middle of a road trip, a big sort of circular road trip, starting and ending in Austin, Indiana, and from there I've sort of headed clockwise through Indiana, Tennessee, Kentucky, into West Virginia, North Carolina, then back along the Blue Ridge Parkway, and eventually sort of to Franklin, and then up here into Deals Gap. So if you fancy checking that out, check those vids out on the channel. I will not be looking to break records on this. I am in the middle of I'm about halfway through that road trip, so I do not want to be crashing my bike. Well, it's not even my bike, it's my mate Alad's bike, so I will not be setting records here folks. Now I did this Tail of the Dragon, I did it both ways 10 years ago, almost to the day. Well, I think I'm about 3 weeks out. But I came here when I did the round the world trip. I rode a GSX-R 1000 around the world back in 2012 to 2014. And when I was coming through the States, I met up with a chap, John Wilkins, who brought me along here. Thank you. I love that, how the drivers pull over for you here. Very good of them. Now I have been absolutely blown away by the quality of riding roads here in the States. As a Brit, we kind of have the impression that Americans don't know how to go around corners. It's just all straight roads that you have. Obviously we see the image of the, you know, the roads out west in the desert, big long straight roads, but wow. This trip has blown me away. The quality of riding and driving roads that you have here is just superb. It rivals all of the great roads that we have in Europe. The scenery is pretty special too, but I think we may be picky on the scenery. Places like the Alps, it's pretty damn special. But this is not to be sniffed at. So yeah, I wonder how this telemetry is working. I hope it's working. I don't even know how you overlay it in the video actually when I come to edit, so that'll be fun. Every day is a school day, as they say. Now the rain's started to come down, but it's nothing heavy. Doesn't look like it's having any effect on the road. This is a lot of fun. Now the mics haven't broken, I'm just not talking. Trying not to die. Oh, I shouldn't say that. I'll show you when we get, well, if we get to the end. We get to the shop at the end there. I'll show you the tree of shame. It's great. If you have an accident along the tail of the dragon, then you're supposed to put a bit of your bike in the tree of shame. Are steaming up as well. Awesome. Alright, I'm just going to have to crack this open a bit. This bike is amazing. Tiger 900 Rally Pro. And it's got an Arrow exhaust on it. What an engine. It's perfect for these roads. Tops out fairly quick, you know, yeah, it's sort of 70-80 miles an hour. It'll go a bit more, obviously, into triple digits, but the main grunt's gone by then. But it's a lovely, versatile engine. I've been sat in sort of, you know, this tighter stuff I'm in third, but most of the trip I've been fourth, fifth and sixth. The engine's just beautiful. Loads of versatility. These tyres have done well as well. Bridgestone A41s, I think. Oh, it's windy. Trying to keep my head away from the centre line for the blind corners, because people do cut the corners here. Some of these bends will catch you out. Great fun though. It's like a twisting roller coaster. It just bucks and turns its way. Hang on, gonna have to sort that cockpit cam out. It looks like it's fallen forward. Don't like that about these cameras, these Instas. I think because they're that little bit heavier than the GoPros, they seem to be affected. That cockpit one seems to fall down quite a lot. And that is screwed tight. Maybe if they had some sort of like ratchety system. Come on, Honda. Let me by. Oh, couldn't pull in. What an asshole. it's a little bit like the carousel in the Ring. Just reminds me of the cambers of the road. Okay, that's a stretch. I admit that's a stretch, folk. Sounds awesome, this engine. Oh wow, that's windy. Jeez, look how dark it's got all of a sudden. See, the road's getting a bit damp now. Hopefully we'll get to the end before the heavens open. Oh no, this is wet. Yeah, we're coming into the rain. Oh, that cockpit cam's gone again. Now, because that doesn't have the LCD there, it does have a flip-up screen at the back, the Insta360 Ace Pro, but what I've found is when you have the flip screen up, it really pushes the camera forward when you're riding along. But because I can't see, you're not sure if you're framed right or not. Just a basic sort of screen there to let you see what you're shooting would be great. Doesn't need to be top quality. Not us. Right, time to get the sticker. Oh, I thought it was... There it is there.